Communication is 85% nonverbal. This popular saying basically describes the fact that the vast majority of communication between two people happens outside of the specific words that are said. Think of it like this: if you were to look at a basic, word-by-word transcription of a conversation that two people had, you would not be able to reliably guess at the true nature of their interaction. Words simply cannot convey things like emotion, self-confidence, mood, feelings, or intent as effectively or efficiently as all of the other nonverbal factors that go into an interaction, aka body language. Body language can mean hundreds of different things. Posture, eye contact, tone of voice, rhythm of speech, physical touch, hand gestures, and physical proximity are just a few examples. You can say absolutely nothing with your mouth, yet present an extremely attractive, or an extremely sloppy, persona through your nonverbal communication alone. While talking to an attractive girl, the most experienced player in the world could tell you exactly what to say through a hidden earpiece, and you could still fail to even get a phone number if your body language sucks. Conversely, you could have an inexperienced virgin tell you exactly what to say and still get a girl to come home with you if your body language is on point. Now, at this point, you could take these facts one of two ways. 1. You could get flustered by the fact that you not only have to say the right things to women, but you also have to say them in the right way. Or 2. You could get really excited and realize that if you master body language, it will take loads of pressure off your back, because you no longer need to worry about saying the perfect things. In this video I'll share 2 easy ways to hack your body language and radiate a confident, attractive presence to everyone you talk to. And you will also know how to do it. Focus on incorporating these hacks into your life one at a time. Don't try and do them all at once. This will come off as unnatural, and also probably confuse and fluster you. So, let's get started. Number 1. Powerful eye contact. This is my favorite. Eye contact says so much about how two people feel about each other. Solid eye contact can take an innocent, boring conversation and make it extremely sexual in a matter of seconds. If you know how to hold proper eye contact, it will signal your confidence as a man, and also make the conversation very intimate, very quickly. So, what is the key to good eye contact? Well, there are 2 main things you want to do. 1. Hold eye contact for just longer than her. This is important, because it shows that you are completely comfortable holding eye contact, and not at all intimidated by the girl, or guy, for that matter, you're talking to. At the same time, you're calibrating to her comfort level by holding it just slightly longer she does. This shows social intelligence and avoids coming off as creepy. 2. Break it to the sides. A lot of people make the mistake of looking down when they break eye contact. Don't do this. Looking down shows a lack of confidence and signals weakness and insecurity. Instead, look to the sides, as if you noticed something behind her. This appears natural and demonstrates social intelligence. Number 2. Wrist touch. Most of you probably know that touching a girl while talking to her has the ability to spike attraction, if done skillfully. One of the easiest hacks to incorporate touching into your skill set is to lightly touch her wrist and make a comment on her watch or bracelet. Slowly reach out with one of your hands and place it around her wrist. Do it gently. Being slow and gentle is important. You're not trying to scare her off. Then just give her a basic compliment. I really like this watch. And finally maintain holding her wrist for a few seconds longer. Done properly, with solid eye contact, this has the potential to make things sexual in an under-the-radar type of way. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.